AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA explicitly is right now at $0 a significant manner. AMP for the most part faces medium-term opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. AMP keeps genuinely descending development today in a sort of significant manner. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week and basically attempt to answer these. Much of the time certainly got clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for AMP. Explicitly is AMP a generally excellent speculation, which truly is very critical. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the AMP specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the very current economic situations in an exceptionally large manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,058,986,395,016, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $28,914,442,597, showing how the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible, most certainly clarified pressing issues. What fundamentally is all things considered. Transient cost expectation for AMP. All things considered, is AMP an essentially wise speculation, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. So AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA sort of is as of now at $0, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which in every practical sense shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere around 9.41 and right now exchanging at 51 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market truly is going in every practical sense. Descending, bearing for in every way that really matters, momentary in an unpretentious way. Right now, a genuinely broad, really regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which certainly is very critical. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize in every way that really matters. Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers for the most part become considerably more extremely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Fundamentally further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which all things considered shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a downfall of 0.78%, which essentially is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which vendors especially become move kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in every way that really matters is at $0, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 while truly complete market cap came to $206,066,187 So following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, or so they especially thought. There explicitly are practically 42,227,702,186 certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%. Which explicitly shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of underneath in a huge way. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving pretty normal to sort of break down the future development of the AMP in an unobtrusive manner. While AMP's Williams %R pointer especially is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange pretty sign really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which by and large is genuinely critical. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, so following generally are the help and obstruction levels of AMP. AMP execution the cost of AMP is at $0, down 2.27% in the truly beyond 24 hours and in a real sense has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in a kind of enormous manner. AMP financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline. So AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The amount really is at present at $0, which in a real sense is very huge. The principal support level for AMP sort of is at $0. The subsequent one especially is at $0, showing how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a very significant manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP truly has R1 and R2 at $0, showing how AMP value investigation AMP cost examination for the 14th of June 2023 inside an everyday time span explicitly made sense of underneath, which for the most part is very huge. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and truly is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone. Extremely further appearance how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $248.77. Following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span incredibly. AMP generally is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to fundamentally suggest that the cryptographic money sort of is in a tricky circumstance that can't be redressed, showing how the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to respond to these habitually clarified something. What in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for AMP. By and large is AMP a genuinely wise venture? Or so they really thought. Regardless of whether the value sort of is falling consistently.